Integrating the Uniswap token list is a straightforward process that enables users to access a vast array of tokens on the Uniswap platform. To begin, it is essential to understand what Uniswap is and the significance of its token list. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates the trading of tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap token list is a curated collection of tokens that are available for trading on the platform. To integrate the Uniswap token list, users need to start by accessing the Uniswap interface. This can be done by visiting the Uniswap website and connecting a wallet such as MetaMask. Once connected, users can navigate to the Settings menu and select the token list option. From here, users can choose to add the Uniswap token list to their wallet. The Uniswap token list is maintained by the Uniswap team and is updated regularly to include new tokens. The list is also curated to ensure that only high-quality tokens are included, which helps to protect users from potential scams or low-liquidity tokens. To add the Uniswap token list, users simply need to copy the list URL and paste it into their wallet settings. Once the Uniswap token list has been added, users can begin to explore the various tokens that are available for trading. The list includes a wide range of tokens, from popular assets like Ether and Bitcoin to lesser-known tokens with unique use cases. Users can browse the list to discover new tokens and learn more about each token's characteristics and trading metrics. In addition to browsing the token list, users can also use the Uniswap interface to trade tokens directly. This can be done by selecting the token to trade, entering the desired trade amount, and confirming the transaction. The Uniswap protocol will then facilitate the trade, using liquidity pools to match buyers and sellers. Best practices for integrating the Uniswap token list include ensuring that the wallet is properly connected and configured, verifying the authenticity of the token list URL, and carefully reviewing the characteristics of each token before trading. By following these steps and best practices, users can safely and effectively integrate the Uniswap token list and begin to explore the world of decentralized trading. In conclusion, integrating the Uniswap token list is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By understanding the key concepts and following best practices, users can unlock a world of trading opportunities and take advantage of the benefits of decentralized finance.